Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Asus FX517ZE motherboard. To start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and thermal paste. With these tools ready, let's dive into the process. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the bottom cover by unscrewing the 14 Phillips screws using your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, a magnetic tray works well for this. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. After the cover is removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Next, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage or burnt components. If you notice any signs of damage, it may be time to replace the motherboard entirely. However, if the damage appears minimal, proceed with cleaning. Using compressed air, carefully blow out any dust and debris around the motherboard and other components. This helps ensure optimal performance and prevents overheating. If you need assistance with this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can weigh your options before committing to repairs. Now, let's check the connections. Reseat the RAM modules and ensure all cables are securely connected. If you find any loose connections, this could be the source of the issue. If you need to replace any components, such as the battery or SSD, make sure to disconnect them first. For the battery, locate the connector and gently pull it out with the spudger. Remember to keep track of all screws and connectors as you go along. Before you reassemble, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and GPU if they were removed. This is crucial for heat dissipation. If you're unsure how to do this, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery at your home service. We can handle the repair for you, ensuring everything is done professionally, without you needing to make any calls or travel. After addressing the necessary repairs and cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom cover back onto the chassis and carefully snap it into place. Secure it with the 14 screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened, but not overly so to avoid stripping. Once everything is back together, connect your laptop to the power source and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds, and check for any error messages. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Asus FX517ZE motherboard. If you run into any issues or aren't comfortable performing these repairs, feel free to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your device back in working order with minimal hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.